All right, this is how to flush and drain the manual transmission on your 2009 to 2012 Porsche Boxer S or Boxer Spider. So the first thing we're going to do is jack the car up. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come under here. Okay. This is your drain bolt right here. Okay. All right, guys, we're under the car right now on the driver's side, looking at the passenger side, kind of near the rear left wheel. We're going to go ahead and take a 10 millimeter hex Allen. We're going to loosen up this bolt here, which is the fill on the transmission. Nothing should come out of this. This is just a fill port. Okay, and there should not be any crush washer or gasket for this, and there's not. This is what we want. And now we're going to take the same 10 millimeter Allen, and we're going to loosen this bottom bolt right here. And this is going to be the transmission drain, and there should be a crush washer on this one. So go ahead and pop this loose, drain your transmission oil. We're going to let this drain out for a bit, and I'll show you how to fill it back up. Just going to go ahead and inspect the sludge here. Not too bad. This oil looks really good. It's nice and honey color. I like that, as you can see in the video. All right, now that most of this has drained out, what we're going to do is we're going to wipe up these threads here with a little bit of a rag. Okay. We're going to take our bolt here. Thread this back in, and we're going to tighten this down to 19 foot-pounds. The Porsche will take 3.2 liters. So I put a hole in my cap here that's 15/30 seconds of an inch. I'm using 1/2 inch diameter hose. I put a little hole in the bottle as well, tube on the bottom of the 1 liter jug here, and now I use my air compressor to create a pressure differential between the bottle and the end of that tube, and it pretty much fills it up by itself with no need to pump. So we're at the end of this bottle, and now I'm going to switch out the bottle and keep going. All right, so Porsche says you got to be 2 to 3 millimeters below the fill port. So I just take a little zip tie, do a little right angle, dip it down, pull it out, and that's kind of like my little makeshift dipstick. So do that until you're 2 to 3 millimeters below. I'll put a little screen capture on here right now on the video in the edit, and you can see what you'll need to do. All that's left to do now that we pumped in 3.2 meters is to go and cap off this fill port right here. So we're going to go ahead and bolt this in. This will be tightened down to 19 foot-pounds. All right, and that concludes how to drain and replace the transmission fluid on your 2009-2012 Boxer S, Cayman and Cayman S, Cayman R, and Boxer Spider. If this video helped you out, please leave a like below, maybe a little comment, and I would really appreciate even leaving a super thanks. Thank you.